Leo looked at a Forex chart for the first time and felt completely lost. That's when his friend Arthur, a seasoned trader, stepped in. "Let's break it down, Leo," Arthur said. "Forex is short for foreign exchange. You've already traded Forex if you've ever exchanged money for a trip. Currencies flow globally, moving trillions every day. You trade currencies in pairs, like the euro versus the US dollar. Think of it as a tug-of-war between two economies. Your job is to decide which currency will win. Click buy or sell. To start, Arthur explained, you only need 3 things. First, a trading platform, your window to the markets. Second, a regulated broker to execute your trades. And third, a strategy. Without a plan, you're just guessing. A simple strategy is trend trading. Buy when the market is consistently rising. Prices often bounce between a support floor and a resistance ceiling. The real excitement is a breakout, when price smashes through. Never enter a trade without a safety net. This is risk management. The market can be volatile, a storm of unpredictable moves. Your stop loss is your shield. It automatically closes a losing trade. Always trade with a sensible size. Don't risk everything on one trade. Avoid overtrading. More trades don't mean more success. Where can you practice all this? In a risk-free demo account. Your best friend as a beginner? The trend. Follow it. Markets don't always trend. Sometimes they move sideways. During quiet times, patience is your strategy. Resistance often acts like a ceiling. Support acts like a floor, bouncing prices back up. Beware the fake-out, a false breakout that reverses quickly. You can visualize the trend by drawing a trend line. It takes practice. Don't just connect random points. Backtesting helps you see how your strategy would have worked in the past. And then it happens, your first winning trade. What a feeling. Success can lead to overconfidence, a dangerous trap. The market has a way of humbling everyone. Always remember the golden rule. Avoid FOMO, the fear of missing out. Chasing a market rarely ends well. Trading on emotion is a fast track to losses. The most successful traders are disciplined and calm. Progress comes from consistent daily practice. Dedicate time to your demo account. Repetition builds skill. Master one strategy before thinking about another. With time and practice, the charts start to make sense. And the most important lesson of all, be patient. The market will always be here. Your job is to be ready.